Taras Shevchenko National University of Kyiv is not only about a fundamental science, but also about the number of practical development. The practical research activity of the university is being conducted in the areas of biology, chemistry, cybernetics, physics and radiophysics and many other areas. The research is coordinated by the Science Park, which is the communication platform between the researchers and business representatives. The Science Park was created to bring together education, science, production and business through the coordination of implementing innovative projects by the members of Science Park and its partners. In the Science Park, there were determined 4 promissions areas of research: information and communication technologies, which are now the most demanded on the market, life sciences, technologies of materials, tools building. The medical developments are the most important. Those are the ways of the structural changes of the active drug that help the scientists create photosensitive medications. When exposed to light, these drugs could be activated or deactivated in a certain way. They could be administered in the organism in inactive state, but exposed to light of one wavelight and then activate them in the patient's organism at the needed place and time. This technology can become ultimate in the cancer treatment. On the base of the chemistry department, there were developed gel bandages for the accelerated wound healing, burns treatment and open injuries.
These bandages are very good in the way that they can be modified depending on where and for what purpose they are used. They can be saturated with medication or substance with additional antibacterial properties.
The laboratories of the Institute of Biology are provided with necessary equipment for the researchers.
We have 2 interesting developments. The first is about the dermotropic medication that can be used in ointment and aerosols for healing. We develop stress adapters. One of them is the medication with melanin as an active substance. It has a really strong, not only radio and photoprotective, but also cytoprotective effect. I believe that one day we will be able to register this medication for people, and yet we have registered it for animals. It's called Melavit.
The developments in the field of radiophysics are equally relevant. We have joint projects with overseas scientists, including the Polytechnic Institute Lyon. As a part of this collaborative effort, we received 2 patents related to the creation of electronic nose or tongue. We record a certain signal, process and get a picture. That is the picture of the smell or taste. And we can compare the pictures with another substance on the semiconductor plate. If the photos are the same, the substance is really natural. The Institute of Cybernetics is involved in the creation of the skeleton for a future robot, software, artificial intelligence and dozens of other developments. Another important line of work in cybernetics is the search of the ways of transferring gesture language to the computer. The scientists believe that it will greatly facilitate the communication with deaf people. Cyber technologies can solve a problem with a whole using 3D models and mathematical methods for building such systems that allow to study sign language so that deaf could understand us and we could understand the deaf. The inventions of the university scientists is popularized by the Technology Transfer Center. If we are talking about chemical or biological medications, then of course we sell the samples sticking to the relevant agreement. These samples are being tested. Accordingly, after that there will be a joint agreement or order contract or conducting additional studies or transferring to production, or event selling license. It depends on the test results. The foreign investors are interested in university scientists' inventions. In particular, the recent developments of water purification from oil pollution and fire extinguishing distance technology caught the attention of customers from China, USA and Canada.
Євген Цимбаленко, Ольга Хворостина, Ганна Ренська, Альона Мержевська, for Science Park, Taras Shevchenko National University of Kyiv.